I'll show you how to change a song order on Spotify playlist. Make sure to watch this video to the very end so you won't make any mistakes. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel. This is the best support for me. So basically, we can only change order inside of our own playlist here on our library. And the steps are quite simple. Basically, we need to open a playlist we'd like to change order for. And then, as you can see, if we'll try to hold our finger, we'll be able to select our song, but we won't be able to change its order. So the trick is quite simple. We need to open editing mode. So click on more on these three dots in the left side menu near like download and add person. Click on these three dots and we'll open this toggle menu. Then click on edit, the third line here. So we'll come to this page where we can manage a lot of stuff, change image, name, description, and basically we can interact with our songs. So you can click and hold our finger and then just like rearrange it to change the position. And as you can see, the steps are quite simple. Don't forget, like, click and hold your finger while you're trying to change the order. So you can do the same with only playlist you have. And by the way, don't forget to click on save in the right top corner on this like small text, because if you click on cancel or you'll try to close the app, you won't be able to find some differences. Like you won't like apply changes to these playlists. So if I'm going to click on save, you can now see that our songs order was successfully changed, and I think it's definitely the best way of how can we change a song order on Spotify. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, guys.